Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a simple but delicious rice recipe made with Tindora or ivy gourd. Let's make it together. The ingredients are also mentioned in the description section below. We need around 6 cups of pre-cooked rice. You can use any type of rice. 2 cups of tindora that has been nicely cleaned. Make sure to cut off the ends of the tindoras. Pour the tindoras into a food processor. Yes, there is no tedious chopping of tindoras in this recipe. Don't you like it already? Next, add in 5 to 6 garlic cloves that have been roughly chopped, around 8 to 10 curry leaves, 3 green chillies or to taste, and 1.5 tablespoons of peanuts. Grind everything to a coarse paste, like this. Now set that aside. Let's take a look at the other ingredients. 2 dried red chillies, 2 teaspoons of crushed coriander seeds, 8 to 10 curry leaves, half a teaspoon of hing or Asafoetida, 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of dry shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, and 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger. Alright, let's get started. Add 2 tablespoons oil to a pan set on medium heat. Add in the dry red chillies, mustard seeds, crushed coriander seeds, curry leaves, hing or Asafoetida, and turmeric powder. Stir fry everything for around 15 to 20 seconds. Now add in the crushed ginger paste and the grated coconut. Give it a quick stir and add in the tindora paste. Add salt to taste. I'm adding approximately 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Mix well and place the lid on. Turn down the heat to low and let this cook for around 7 minutes or so. Now turn up the heat to medium again. Add around 1 tablespoon oil and stir fry the tindora till the paste looks slightly light brown in color. This should take approximately 10 minutes. Now add in half of the chopped coriander leaves and half of the lime juice. Mix everything together and check for salt. Now add in the pre-cooked rice. Add salt to taste. Mix the rice and the masala thoroughly. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, give me a thumbs up. Once the rice is mixed, keep stir frying the rice for 10 to 12 minutes. Add in the remaining lime juice and the remaining coriander leaves. Stir everything together and done! Wasn't that easy? The flavorful tindora paste coats every grain of rice and makes this really flavorful. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If yes, do share it with your friends. If you are on Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, do follow me. And for written recipes, visit my blog. All the links are in the description. If you haven't already, consider checking out some of the other recipes on my channel. And if you like them, consider subscribing. I post exciting recipes every week. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I post my next recipe. Alright my friends, see you next week. Bye-bye.